Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the closet doors and even the bathtub, toilets, and sink. Now we're gonna continue working on this by adding the kitchen. And here, what we're gonna do is we're going to insert. So go to insert, load family, and let's go to sink. And then here, we're going to add in the kitchen sink. Single. Clicking open, and then CM. Here, they're using double. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load the double or the triple. I think they're using the double sink, which is right here. And I'm gonna provide this as well. So CM, and then you just need to go to this, and then same idea. You just need to click it and space bar so that it will rotate on its place. So this one's done, and let's do the rest. So from here we start again onto this. So you could go to the wall again so that it will go and rotate on that wall. So that's done. Let's go here and add. And then here we could just go and paste it from here and then here as well. And then this one on this side. And then this side as well. So just double checking. I think this one's done. Yes, we have this one. So it looks like we're done with this, and then now we're gonna add in the cooktop. Let's go back to the main and go to specialty equipment, domestic, and then let's go to mid-range and then cooktop. You have gas, and then we have electric. Let's use the electric and then load, and then after that CM. So that's create similar. We just need to put it right there. We could use work plane so that it's easier to see. Similar to that, go to the wall as well, and we're gonna remove that tag. Here, as you can see, if you go to any angled line or even curved corners, you will also adhere to that angle. So this one is very easy to go and change. So here I'm just connecting it to this angle line, cooktop right there. Add it here. Right there. Add it there. And then after that, just click this, edit type, and then uncheck this show label. Once you do, apply, and then OK. It will disappear on all the cooktop. After this, let's add in the fridge. So load family, and then let's add the fridge as well. So here, the fridge are bigger. I'm just looking for a smaller fridge. Let's try and add this instead. So I'm gonna open and let's see. So here we could add in the fridge. So it's big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit this. So click on that, edit type. Here you can uncheck this one. We don't need to create a duplicate because we could just change it from here. The height, it doesn't matter for me for the height because we're not gonna create a 3D out of this. We're just going to represent it with that. Here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the width and the depth. So here I'm going to do a 700 by 700. Click apply and then OK. I believe 700 by 700 it will be enough for this space. So CS on that. So we add it on this spot. Let's go around and then same here. Whatever angle you want, you can add it there. This one, I want it to be angled again, similar to this. This, I just want to add it on that. And then here as well. Okay, and then add here as well. Add it there. And I believe we're good with this. Next, the countertop. And what we're gonna use is an annotate detail line, and we're gonna change this to 10 lines. And we're gonna use pick line. So I'm gonna use pick line to just trace it. So that's done. We could just review that later on once we turn off this. So here, just adding the lines. Okay, let's add it there. and then here as well. Okay, with that, and I believe this one, we already have this. And then actually, we need to add detail lines for this. So let's finish this one. So we need, so that's done. We need to add it right here. So I know it's kind of confusing right now. You can turn off and on. So that's up to you. But for me, I'm just gonna do it like this now. So this is to represent the top of that. And then CS here, create similar. Okay. Here I'm going to move this one a bit so that we have space on that. So that will be fine. Create similar again. Right there. CS. Okay. And I believe we're done. So that's good. We added more detail. And then now, let's add in the floor. So let's go and click on architecture, click on floor, edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 3. Okay, edit, and then change this material. Let's go to stone again. And we're just going to use limestone just to change it up. It's not the final material. And then here, I'm going to use pick line so that we could go around. So click that one and then click on the wall again. So we're going from the inside right here, and then obviously we're going to create a balcony. So we're going to create that with another floor so that we just go so that the floor doesn't stick out. So click on finish, and if we look at it at 3D, we have a floor right now. Okay, so let's go back and double check everything. So I believe what we could do is we could remove our background or our composite, VG, go to imported categories and uncheck that. Click apply and then OK. So later on, probably we're gonna turn on and off those. So that's for later. What I want to do now is to add more details and basically add the laundry. So let's go back and insert, and it's basically, sorry, let's go back and then go to specialty equipment again, domestic. Let's delete this and go to mid-range. We have the washer and dryer combo right here. Click on open, and then here type in CM, and then go and add the washer and dryer as well. So just add it for now, and then we're gonna remove that later on. We're gonna remove the tag. You can even leave it if you want, but for now, let's just place it. So I'm doing the same trick. I'm going to the wall so that I could turn it from that side. So washer and dryer right there. Okay. I think we could just leave it for now for that one. I think that will be good enough. And then here, if you have something like that, what you can do is click on the line right this one and add in an X. That could be plumbing, that could be electrical. So we need space for those. So here, most of the time, we have it right there from the entrance. So that will be plumbing. It's near the kitchen. We're going to extend this and we're gonna add. So anything that you see that one, we need to add an X. Here we're going to add as well. We're gonna add more info and we're gonna double check everything. Two bedroom plus 10. And then we're going to connect all the lines as well. So don't worry about that. We're gonna finalize that later on. We just need to add the X mark onto those. So I believe that's good enough. Now what I'm gonna do is let's use TR. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on that CS and add another one like that on this side. TR, trim and extend, and then we could just remove the excess there. Here, TR again, and then here you could just extend this CS and then extend it like that. So just double check all the things that you've done in the kitchen, and then just delete the excess. And then here, CS, and then add and just go around. Let's TR here, and then delete this. And then we want to make sure that it's not overlapping, and then everything is connected so that it looks nice. TR, trim and extend, delete the extra and the overlapping. And then here, CS, add it right there. TR, trim and extend, delete the remaining. This one, plus then. And then delete this. This one is overlapping, and just fix it. So that looks nice. And then if you want to add the hatching, what you can do is go to annotate. This is region, and then you could add different. So let me show it to you. So what we could do is go type in VG, go to imported categories. We need this so that we could have our the same outline. So here, what you can do to represent something like a tiling, usually from the kitchen and then the bathroom, is to click on filled region. Here you could add different kinds of hatching. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on rectangle, and then we're gonna click finish. So basically that's the same hatching as this one. So now the way you're gonna do it is click on region, click on pick lines, or you could draw. So here it's gonna be easy. We're gonna outline the same pattern as this, and click finish. Now you have a hatching like that. But now go to edit type, and then you want it to fill or uncheck the masking. Apply and then OK. Now you're going to be able to see everything. So now VG again, imported categories, uncheck everything, click apply and then OK. Now everything will look like that. CS. Now you can add the same pattern, and then once you go here, just click on that. Same pattern, and then the angle was done as well. Let's do that again. Here, it's just a straight line. What you could do is you can extend it here, line up to there, and then pick line after that. So it's gonna be easier for you, and then we just need to do that. So here for the washroom, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to go around this, and then let's do more. Anything with an angle, leave it. Because it's easier to do a pick line. And then after that, you will need to trim and extend those. TR, TR. So now you just need to keep on doing that. We have something like this again. We have straight lines right here. And we could just go over this. I'm doing it one by one because for me that's better. And then I'm just gonna mask it right here. Or what I could do is undo everything, click it here. I'm just gonna go over right here. And then click on there. And then here, so you can see we need to close the I know it's not perfect, but you get the idea. Here we forgot to add the door. So this is good. At least we're able to see the missing things that we're adding. We missed. So you want to make sure kitchen and washroom are done. And then here again, CS. You can use this, pick line, and then finish off with this. and then here pick line, and then you just need to close off. CS right here. Oops. CS again for this. And you want to make sure that you're doing everything. You're not missing. I know it's too much work, but that's the way you do it. You can basically skip on this part once you know the how to do it. Here we miss the line or the X. We're just adding those, and then click here CS, and we're just adding, and then TR, trim and extend. We're almost done. And then here as well, let's start from here. CS right here. I'm just doing it one by one so that I don't need to go back and forth just to fix. Okay, so I think we're done. I'm just checking if we missed something, which is right here. And then here we just need to extend that so that everything is good. And then if we see anything, we just need to clean those up. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.